Hey, what's up? Adam Lobo here from Adam Lobo TV. Now, while things are starting to be a little more normal these days, ever since the lift of the MCO here in Malaysia, it also means that things are getting way much busier. Now, while I am blessed to be very busy reviewing all of the tech items to help you make a purchase decision, besides working out in the gym at the end of the day, my favorite way to just wind down is just to chill and watch some TV and of course playing games as well. Now, because of this, although I have been reviewing several TVs for the year, I have yet to find something that really fits my needs in every sort of way. Well, that's until I finally decided on getting this sexy beast, the LG C1 65-inch 4K Smart Self-Lit OLED TV with AI ThinQ. Now, this particular TV was nominated for multiple innovation awards during CES 2021, so naturally this flagship TV lineup was something that I really want to get my hands on. So yes, in this video I'll be giving you the unboxing of the whole TV and giving you my first impressions of one of the most anticipated and highly rated TV for 2021 to find out whether or not it is really that good, so keep watching. Now, instead of me reviewing the TV in a more comprehensive way, in this video, I'll be diving more into the physical aspects, some key features, and what are my first impressions on it. And of course, I'll do another video where it will be an in-depth review in about a week or two. Alright, without further ado, let's go through the unboxing process and see what comes inside of the box and go through the overall physical setup. So the exact variant that I'll be unboxing and giving you my first impressions on is the 65-inch variant as mentioned earlier. But keep in mind that this exact 2021 model is available in a smaller 48-inch, 55-inch or a larger 77-inch. So after opening the box, on top, the first thing that you'll find is the blanking plate, which goes at the back of the TV, which I'll show how and where it is fixed later. Next, there's a small plastic package with a cable strap, lots of documentations, my favorite magic remote, with the included AA batteries, and a little bag of screws. Next, taking out the top foam immediately reveals the top part of the TV, where you'll find a steel plate for the stand, which had an amazing finish with the LG OLED branding over there as well. And towards the side, there's a very high quality and very heavy and sturdy stand with a nice cable management compartment at the bottom, similar to how the previous LG C9 and the C10 editions had. Then finally, you'll find the TV itself. Next, to mount the TV on the stand, I would recommend at least getting 2 people to carry each side of the TV. Then once the TV is placed on a carpet or a softer surface, you can then latch the stand and then screw on the 4 screws at the back. Then take the blanking plate, which was the first accessory that came inside of the box, and attach it accordingly and you're done. But since I have the LG Gallery stand, I'm going to use that during the duration of this video. Next, let's look at the input and output or the I/O options available on this LG C1 65-inch 4K Smart Self-Lit OLED TV. Now at the back, besides the wall mounting option, there's also the headphones out, the optical digital audio out, an Ethernet port, an antenna cable in, and a satellite in. Then you'll find 2 USB ports and the 4th HDMI port, which can support up to 4K 120Hz. Then the other 3 HDMI ports are at the sides, where all also supports the same 4K 120Hz. Now looking below, there's one more USB port, then HDMI 2 is marked specifically for EARC, which you can use it to hook a Dolby Atmos external soundbar if you want to. So before going into how the screen looks, since this is a TV review during my first impressions, let's first appreciate the great build quality and the design of this TV. Now during my first impressions, I was floored by how amazingly thin the top of the TV was, at only 3.9 mm thin, which was thinner than any smartphone out right now, since the name of the TV clearly suggests that it is a self-lit LED TV. Then the bottom part is not as thin to fit in the IOS, which you have seen earlier, where it measures at 46.9 mm. Next, let's talk about my first impressions of the TV screen and what are the key features on this LG C1 65-inch 4K Smart Self-Lit OLED TV. Now, speaking of a self-lit LED TV, in case you did not know what that means, it's when every single pixel is individually controlled to produce the perfect black levels and at the same time making it ultra sharp as well. Now the color accuracy made any content watched on the TV to look super realistic, and it could be viewed in every angle perfectly, which I'm planning to mount this TV later on during my full video review. But I have to say, as of now, I'm really loving this LG gallery stand, and it totally fits in the room's interior no matter what. And what's sweet is that at the back there's also the companion bracket that allows the TV to hold other smaller devices like a power strip, or even if you have a router or a cable box if you want to. Then speaking of the stand itself, it has a 3-step height adjustment, and it was cleverly built to have a built-in cable management inside as well. So yes, this whole cable management and the mounting compartment at the back makes me, a mildly OCD guy, a very happy man. Now, ever since I was introduced to the filmmaker mode on my current NanoCell LG TV, I just cannot go back to any other mode to really appreciate every movie or even YouTube video based on what the creator wants you to see. And since there's a growing list of movies and series being equipped with not only Dolby Atmos but also Dolby Vision too, based on my several tests both on Netflix and Disney Plus, I can already see the difference that it makes, where every single movie was properly optimized thanks to the upgraded Alpha 9 Gen 4 AI processor. Then there's the OLED Motion Pro technology, which is perfect for situations where I'm watching my favorite football team. And since the team is currently on an international break, allow me to get back to you on how the overall viewing experience was during my full video review. Now, speaking of sports, what's sweet is there is the sports alert as well. So in case I'm super busy with work, it is nice that the TV gives me all the right sports alerts based on my favorite team, Liverpool. Now, going from sports to gaming, one of the main reasons why I got this TV is the gaming performance on the TV. Now, due to the high 120Hz refresh rate, I did find it to have a really fast response time when I did some quick gaming tests where LG claims that it has a stunning 1 milliseconds. So yes, I just can't wait to plant myself on the sofa and game for hours on this TV, especially since it's also NVIDIA G-Sync and AMD FreeSync Premium compatible as well, making it extra sweet whether if I'm plugging in my gaming console or even on a PC. Then speaking of console gaming, the HGIG mode will also give me that sort of confidence that every game will be shown at its absolute best. Now, while there are other great features like the VRR or Variable Refresh Rate or ALLM or Auto Low Latency mode, these are all the features that I'm going to be testing once again when I use this TV daily. Then finally, what I immediately had a very good first impressions on is the new WebOS 6.0. Where this new WebOS has a very clean and a new interface look, making the already amazing WebOS even better based on my previous review of WebOS. And as a daily user of the WebOS for the past 2.5 years, it is still hands down my favorite operating system, even beating a typical Android TV, since the UI and the apps are super optimized for the TV. But yes, of course, I will be getting back to you on how much of an improvement it is, or if I come across anything during my full video review. Alright guys, there you have it, my unboxing, the first impressions and the key features of this LG C1 65-inch 4K Smart Self-Lit OLED TV with AI ThinQ. And as mentioned, be sure to subscribe to this channel in case you haven't done so, as I will be coming back for another full video review of this TV after using it for about a week or two. And with this, do let me know if you have any questions to ask or to test on this TV, and I'll answer to your questions during my full video review as well. Aside from that, thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. My name is Adam Lobo, and I'll see you in my next video.